We beat them by almost half.
Delana launching another triple. Yes, again!
Tira na si Aquino. Babak Santa Maria using the glass court. Si Jeff Viernes.
Sa Ligaspi, he has redeemed himself.
One, the hustler, Santa Cruz! What up? Yes!
It is last minutes na kanyang fourth quarter. Babak for three. Martin for Babak Santa Maria.
Wala akong masasabi. Hindi yun. Bahala na kayo.
That for three. Come on.
Ito talaga ang confidence nitong bat.
Good afternoon, basketball fans. Good afternoon, mga kasurog. Welcome sa Day 19 ng Ako Bicol Cup Sorsogon. Hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa. We are live here at the Encinas Pavilion sa surfing capital ng Bicol. Walang iba kundi ang Gubat Sorsogon for our 4-game series. Our deepest thanks once again to the local government of Gubat Sorsogon, headed by Honorable Mayor Ronel Nono Lim, and sa ating butihing governor na si Governor Boboy Hamor. Today, for the third game of our exciting ball game, we bring you a battle between the municipalities of Matnog with 4-1 versus Barcelona with a standing of 2-4. I am Angelo Espinasilia, your weekend warrior, and a pleasure to take you to the action of this game along with our veteran and resident commentator na si Sir Jan Bachiller. Sir Jan, good afternoon po.
Yes, magandang hapon sa iyo, Sir Jello, and magandang hapon po sa lahat ng manonood dito sa ating venue sa Encinas Pavilion and syempre sa ating mga social media platforms. Will Matnog, headed by Cyril Gonzalez, win against this Barcelona depleted lineup. So tingnan natin if what will be the flavor ngayong hapon sa laro. This is the third game and puntahan na natin ang ating arena announcer na si JV Salvidar to start things off.
Sorsogon, brought to you by Congressman Saldico ng Bicol Party List. Katabang na masuruba. We welcome you everyone inside the Encinas Pavilion. Our wonderful hanger match shot in our elimination round battle. Our third game will be having Team Barcelona versus Team Matnog. And for the first five of Team Barcelona, wearing jersey number 24, point guard, Troy Lan for the shots. Wearing jersey number 86, shooting guard, Romain Velas. Wearing jersey number 51, small forward, Carlo Esquer. Wearing jersey number 13, power forward, Rocky Pulgar. Wearing jersey number 26, center, Ryan Espanol. And coach for Team Barcelona, Mr. Russell Mendoza. And for the Slutters of Team Matnog, wearing jersey number 1, point guard, Jay Arcena. Wearing jersey number 14, shooting guard, Cyril Gonzalez. Wearing jersey number 88, small forward, Joseph Ariston. Wearing jersey number 17, power forward, Chavin Elicado. Wearing jersey number 4, center, Roy Chesa. And coach for Team Matnog, Mr. Reynolds Sol. And for the officials for this ball game, Rushi Juani Mariniza. And for the Y, Dayo Sena. And for two, Celso Mendoza. This is your Ako Bicol Cup Sorsogon. Atito!
Yes, magandang hapon basketball fans. We are live here at Encinas Pavilion dito. Sabi ni Sir Jello, the surfing capital of Sorsogon is Gubat. And yun na nga, laban ng Gubat versus Matnog. Barcelona pala partner versus Matnog. And so starting off dito sa Barcelona is si Fulgar, Bordeos, Espeño, Estuya, Enguelas. Pagdating naman dito sa Matnog, si Garcera, Jessa, Gonzales, Eligado, and Ariston.
And Barcelona in white jerseys while Matnog is in yellow jerseys.
Yes, a lefty layup dito. Si Jay Garcera opening up the scoring pagdating dito sa Matnog. So partner, this is an important game partner para dito on the side of Matnog dahil they are still in the contention para sa ating second round ng ating Ako Bicol Cup Sorsogon.
Tama, no? Bulusan has just won a while ago. So tingnan natin if Matnog can continue their winning streak.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Led by Cyril Gonzalez who once hailed as a best player. 3 beses na ata naging best player dito sa ating torneo. So we'll see if the veteran Ryan Espeño will lead the charge pagdating dito sa Barcelona. Ayan na si Jessa. Elbow jumper, short. Ariston with the board. Shot clock is at 13. Garcera looks at the clock. Swings the ball. Ayan na si Ariston with the ball. Attacking. Missing the shot and Fulgar grabs the board.
A strong defensive rebound by Fulgar, a veteran player as well.
Yes, and is a product of Ateneo Dinagan University.
Yes.
Headed by Coach Nugi Sabio. Ayan na si Espeño. Binigay dito kay Guelas. Elbow jumper. Bucket for number 86 na si Romel Guelas. That ties the ball game at 2 apiece. That is a 3-point shot pala partner.
Yes.
Na binitawan nitong si Guelas. Ayan na si Gonzalez. Thinking 3, shoots the 3. Misses the shot. Ayan na si Estuye. Is rushing. Estuye attacks. Using the glass. Misses the shot. Ayan na si Garcera. Jay Garcia attacks. What a drop pass dito kay Eligado. Ang gandang galaw.
Grabe, lumusot sa dalawang guard yung pasa.
Yes, sir. Now the score is 4-3 in favor of Matnog with 7 minutes and 46 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Bordios gives the ball to Guelas for 3. No good. Cyril Gonzalez is in a foot race. Gonzalez, hop, skip, attack. What a shot. But there's a putback dito galing kay Jamir Eligado.
Saving the day there after a $1 million play by Cyril but didn't finish.
Ayan na si Bordios. Guarded by Ariston. Swings the ball to Estuye. Ayan na. Ang Ryan Espeño. We know he can hit that shot pero mintis ang tira niya. Garcera. Pass dito kay Ariston sa ilalim. Good patience but Estuye blocking the shot.
Fulgar against Cyril.
Ayan na si
Cutting.
Fulgar. Misses the shot. Gonzalez gives the ball to Eligado against the veteran Espeño. No good. Good defense by Ryan Espeño. Ayan na si Espeño faking. Fulgar. Baseline against Jessa with a hook shot. No good. Garcera grabs the ball. Binigay dito kay Cyril Gonzalez. With 6 minutes and 36 seconds. Gonzalez for 3. In and out. Rebound by Rodney Fulgar.
Fulgar to Bordios. Still, nahihirapan pa sila. No? They are adjusting in this unfamiliar territory.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Ayan na si Estuye guarded by Gonzalez. Bordios, top of the key tray. In and out. Nakuha ni Estuye ang bola. Estuye attacks with the left hand and scores for 2.
Estuye cutting the lead into 1 point by Matnog.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Ayan na si Garcera. Directing traffic. Swings the ball to the high scoring Cyril Gonzalez. Eligado at the low block. Spinning. Up and under. Binigay kay Jessa. Free throw jumper. In and out.
That's a sorry miss. It was an open shot.
Yes, ayan na si Bordios. Guarded by Ariston. Swings the ball to Espeño. 4-3. Short. Jamil Eligado with the board. Ayan na. Si Cyril Gonzalez against 3 defenders. Gonzalez, what a pass dito kay Jessa. Block by Ryan Espeño. Bordeos, binigay kay Estuye. And he was fouled. Plus a foul dito. And he has a chance to complete a 3-point play.
Golden minutes for Estuye. No, having 4 points plus an opportunity to complete a 3-point play. So Barcelona is now on the lead. You know, take note, Barcelona is the underdog here with the 2-4 standing against the dark horse, no, na tinawag natin itong Team Matnog, considering that relatively, no, they are smaller as compared to the other teams, but they are coming out of the top, no, to the different municipalities of Sorsogon.
Yes, na si Garcera and pinasok na si Aldi Namoragan. Alam naman natin na he can add muscle pero si Eligado powering his way, missing the shot. Garcera gives Matnog a extra possession. Yan na si Gacera, attacks. What a pasa na dito kay Hamuragan pero nabitawan ng bola. With exactly 5 minutes remaining sa ating
First quarter.
first quarter, lamang po ng 1 puntos ang Barcelona. What a Euro step by Estuye.
Estuyo is
Yes.
very hot right now.
Yes, he's on a roll right now with 6 points. Usually coming off the bench tong si Estuye because nga Jonas Leona is not available and itong si isang import nila na number 16 na si Oscar Beltran. So we'll see if Estuye will maintain his scoring ability pagdating dito sa Barcelona.
Tama, no? And speaking of defense, medyo na kokontrol nila ang baseline drives. Ito nga Matnog. Mukhang napaghandaan ng Barcelona.
Yes, ayan na si Fulgar faking against 2 defenders. Fulgar attacks, spins, elbow jumper, no good. Aldin and Estuye battling it out pero nakuha ni Graida ang bola. Ayan na si Graida, gives the ball to Ariston. Good defense by Guelas, partner. Kita mo, talagang na-shutdown niya yung baseline that led to a traveling violation dito kay Jacil Ariston.
Tama, good start on the side of Barcelona.
Ayan na si Eligado. Gives the ball to his partner na si Cyril Gonzalez. Eligado. What a move, partner.
Binali sa ere. That's Jamir Eligado with 6 points already.
Yes. Ay, samantalang ang kanyang partner na si Cyril Gonzalez, I guess, has 2 points, partner ba? O wala pang score?
Wala pa.
Yes. So, it's an opportunity for the other players para dito sa Matnog to contribute. Pero sabi ni Rodney Fulgar, that's an easy shot for me.
And Fulgar making his first point of this ball game.
Yes. Courtesy of that baseline jumper ni Rodney Fulgar. Ayan na si Graida. Wants to shoot the 3. Cyril Gonzalez. Ayan na. A turnover dito kay Aldi Namuragan. Ayan na si Fulgar. Wants to attack. Binigay dito kay Bordios. Mintis ang tira. Pero Bordeos recovers the ball. Wants to attack. What a move, partner.
Grabe. Small but terrible player itong isang Bordios.
Ayan na si Graida. Swings the ball to Gonzalez. Gonzalez, his favorite shot, partner. Pero mintis yan. Ayan na si Guelas. Binigay dito kay Estuye. Estuye is rushing. Binigay kay Bordios. Easy 2.
Back-to-back points for Bordios. While this Cyril Gonzalez attempting several shots, still cannot make it to the basket.
Yes, partner, talaga. Cyril Gonzalez is still struggling, partner. And alam naman natin, this Matnog squad has no pressure sa larong ito dahil nga sila ay out of contention na sa ating liga. Pero still, they are playing their hearts out. So talagang Matnog should be aware of that dahil talagang medyo nauubusan sila ng Barcelona right now.
Tama, no? And knowing that they have a smaller lineup as compared to their previous outings, no? So mukhang nahihirapan and si Coach Reynoldson ng Matnog is not happy with that. So he decided to call a timeout, regroup, no, and rethink on ways on how to counter kasi huling-huli kanina, no, kung mapapansin nyo, laging baseline drive yung ginagawa nitong Team Matnog, especially dito sa may right wing, and lagi iyong nako-contest kung hindi mahuhuli through an interception, laging nabablock ng napaka gilas na guard nitong Barcelona na si Espeño.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Ayan na si Espeño, a veteran, partner. I know he's a veteran pagdating dito sa mga liga sa Sorsogon. So tingnan natin if this, yan na, partner, pinasok na pala ang crowd favorite ng Matnog, si Rex Gata, missing that floater.
Gata, a very promising athlete.
Yes.
Grade 12 student
Yes,
pa lang.
yun na nga, partner. Nagulat ako nung tinawag ni Coach Pau na he is only in grade 12. So talagang long way to go with this promising point guard ng Matnog.
And with that, Barcelona, after the timeout, missing the shots.
Ayun na si Eligado, wants to attack. Eligado, sidestepping move. No good. Guelas again with the board.
Good defense there on
What
the side
a
of
pass,
Barcelona.
partner. Barbordeos to Rodney Fulgar. And now, this is the biggest lead so far of Barcelona with 9 points. Yan na si Graida. Momentarily loses the ball. Binigay kay Aldin. Gata is open for Trey. No good. Yes, partner, we have a report galing kay Mas Danica Garcia. Take it away.
Ayan, thanks Coach John. As is lang daw ang preparation na ginawa ngayong ball game ng Team Matnog as per Coach Sue. Kung saan palagi lang nilang pinapaalalahanan ng mga players nila na always execute properly their defense. Goal ngayon ng Team Matnog na makasabay sila sa Lucky Four at makaabot sa semis at finals. They need to work harder daw ngayong gabi, lalo na papalapit na ang semis at kailangan nilang mapalitan ang kanilang standing na 4-1. Malakas pa rin ang loob ng kupunan na magpapatuloy ang kanilang karera dito sa Ako Bicol Cup Sorsogon, lalo na't ang kanilang import at itinuturing na key player na si Cyril Gonzalez ay mananatiling parte ng kupunan. Ayon kay Cyril kasi coaches, he will stay on the team until na matapos ang kanyang commitment sa Team Matnog. Ayan muna ang latest dito sa courtside ng Team Matnog. Balik sa inyo, Coach John and Coach Jello.
Yes, maraming salamat Miss Danica. Yun na nga, meron tayong tinitingnan ng ating mga referees. Yung kaninang violation, if we'll see, nagko-question nata yung Matnog kung may advantage foul or...
And if it's a normal foul or an unsportsmanlike foul because Cyril was running, no, and he was fouled from behind. So tingnan natin if that was an excessive foul, and that's right, no, that's a UF, no, an unsportsmanlike foul on called on Barcelona. So 2 free throws will be given for Cyril plus a ball possession.
Yes, still struggling itong si Cyril Gonzalez, partner. Yun na nga, this is the chance for him to score pero wala pa talaga. So tingnan natin. Yun na nga. Yun na nga sinasabi ng ating reporter si Miss Danica. Natatapusin ni Cyril Gonzalez ang kanyang commitment dito sa Matnog. So that goes to show on how Cyril Gonzalez loves Matnog right now. Talagang gusto niya matapos and gusto niya matapos yung kanyang season dito sa Ako Bicol Cup with a bang. So tingnan natin if what will be the development dito Matnog coming sa mga susunod na laro. Ayan na si Graida for 3. Come on!
Graida putting his name for the very first time in the scoreboard.
Yes, his first point of the ball game with that booming triple. Ayan na si Bordios, heavily guarded by Gonzalez. Natapik ni Gonzalez and muntik na rin maagaw ni Rex Gata. So napaganda ang depensa ngayon ng Matnog with 12 seconds remaining sa ating shot clock and 1 minute and 16 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Ayan na si Fulgar, his favorite move. Double team, Fulgar swings the ball to Bordios. Challenged by Gata, misses the shot. Tinapik ni Aldin pero sa maling tao. Ayan na si Guelas. Fulgar again. Automatic to
Favorite spot, a spin and a hop. That's Fulgar with staggering 6 points already.
Yes, the score is 19-12 in favor of ayan na si Aldin. What a pocket pass dito kay Jamil Aligado pero mintis yung tira.
Mukhang inaalat itong dalawang import ng Matnog.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Ayan na si Bordeos. Very steady point guard pagdating dito sa Barcelona. Binigay dito sa favorite spot ni ayan na si Rex Gata. Rex Gata with the left hand.
Para may spring ang paa.
Yes, partner. Pero all I know, partner, is talagang he's a shooter pero di ko alam na he can slash also. So this Rex Gata is a promising player pagdating dito sa Matnog.
Tama.
And now the shot clock is off with 10 seconds remaining. Ryan Espeño for 3. Come home!
That's his first 3 points of the game.
Yes, ayan na. Cyril Gonzalez zigzagging. And I guess we'll see. Kasi nakita ko si referee Inday signaling na for a review. So tingnan natin kung ang basket ba ay counted. So yun na nga. Mabilis nakapag-decide ang ating technical referees na basket is not counted. And then again, the score is 22-14. Lamang po ang Barcelona dito sa unang quarter natin.
A surprising development, mga kasurog, as we are expecting that the underdogs will still struggle in fighting the Matnog. But they are showing us a different result in the very first quarter as Barcelona has been playing a very systematic ball game. They've been passing the ball around and giving the ball to any player who is free or who has an advantage against the guard. So, kitang-kita na natin sa early outing itong si Fulgar with the 6 points and itong si Estuye, no, both in the offense and defense, garnered 6 points and several rebounds as well. Well distributed din yung points kay Bordios, kay Espeño at kay Guelas. Samantalang sa kabilang koponan naman ng Matnog, medyo nangangapa pa itong si Cyril. It's not yet in his zone as well as Eligado, no? Though he already had 6 points, has lost many opportunities.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And para sa ating mga leading scorers sa karang quarter, ito nga leading the charge for Barcelona. Si Estuye with 6 points and si Rodney Fulgar also with 6 points. And si Jamil Eligado skying high with 8 points. So tingnan natin if dito sa second quarter makakapag-adjust na ba itong Matnog right now. Yan ang pinasok na si number 29 na si Ian Hile, also a known shooter. Yan si Cyril Gonzalez, his favorite shot again. Finally, makes his first bucket of the ball game courtesy of that favorite floater dito ni Cyril Gonzalez.
And Barcelona, let's see if they will be consistent in their ball passing.
Ayan na si Graida, binigay dito. Nabitawan ni Graida ang bola. Galing sa pasa ni Gata Fulgar, wants to attack. Floater. No good. Fulgar. Bordios. Automatic.
That's 6 points already.
Yes, partner. A good contribution from a steady point guard na si Bordios. Yan na si Gonzalez. What a pass dito sa ilalim kay Eligado. Powering his way. And scores for 2. Yun na nga, partner. Alam ni Cyril Gonzalez na is still struggling pagdating sa kanyang opensa. Kaya talagang right now, he is serving as a decoy, attacking the paint at will and dishing dimes para dito sa kanyang mga teammates.
Tama.
Ayan na si Hile. I've told you, partner, na he's a shooter, partner. So talagang medyo diesel to. Iinit, pero after that first miss, pumukol na kagad itong si Hile. And yun na.
Mukhang nabati natin si Cyril.
Yes,
He's showing off right now.
Yes, yun na, partner. Almost nagiging niya na yung confidence right now because he can pass, he can shoot. So talagang yun na nga, he opted to score on that possession.
And with that, with 8 minutes remaining, 27-20.
Ayan na si Hile again. Shoots the 3. Misses the shot. Alden with the board. Gives the ball to Cyril against Guela. Cyril with a Pinoy step and he was fouled.
Guelas having another foul there.
And say tall order para dito kay Guelas to guard a shifty Cyril Gonzalez. Kaya talagang medyo nahirapan siya doon at sa baba pa lang natawagan na siya ng foul.
Tama, and that's his second personal foul already. So, a dangerous start for Guelas in the early second quarter of this game.
Yes, pinasok na si Adrian Escoragia. Isang veteran na center pagdating dito sa sa Barcelona, partner. And he will provide veteran leadership for sure. And syempre, para pagpahingin din ang isang veteranong si Ryan Espeño.
And with that, Cyril has sink his first shot. Let's see if he can cut the lead by making the second one.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Ayan na si Cyril. Sinks both free throws.
And now he's in 7 points.
Yes.
Bilis makarecover, Sir John.
Yun na nga, in a split second or minutes, partner, talagang kumakumada na itong si Cyril Gonzalez dito sa ating laro. Ayan na si Bordios. Binigyan ng pick ni Escoragia. And Adrian Escoragia misses the 3-point bomb, pero Estuye misses.
That was a too strong reverse layup there. And running very fast itong si Graida.
Ayan na nga, a good drive para dito kay Hener Graida. After hearing that whistle galing dito kay referee Inday natin, he opted to attack the basket pa talaga dahil alam na may continuation. Tingnan mo, partner, there is the foul and he knows na talagang there is a chance. So tingnan natin if he will complete his 3-point play. Pero mintis yan. Skying high sa rebound itong si Estuye. Gives the ball to Bordeos and the score is 27-4. Lamang na lang po ng 3 puntos itong Barcelona with 7 minutes and 19 seconds remaining sa ating first half.
Tama, no, that quick.
Bordeos misses the shot. Eligado, binigay kay Graida. Swings the ball to Gonzalez. Gonzalez, floater. Yes, that's an obvious foul, partner, dito kay Villena. Naunahan siya with that shifty crossover kaya binump niya. So nahuli ng ating mga referees. So yun na, Cyril Gonzalez is in the line again.
Yes, he's been stepping on the pedal ever since the second quarter and making points for himself. So that's already his 8th point of this game. Na kanina medyo inaalat for the entire first quarter. And that's 2 chickens in the bucket. for Cyril Gonzalez, giving him 9 points.
And si Hile again, 4-3. Short on that, Eligado with the board. Graida is open, di nakita ni Eligado, pero Eligado opted to take the shot. Coast to coast para dito kay Jamir Eligado. And that is his 12 point of the ball game.
12 points for Jamir Eligado, and kudos for Hamoragan for defending the defender there.
But si Villena answering back with a booming triple para dito sa side ng Barcelona. And now the lead is back again dito sa Barcelona with 30-28. Cyril misses the shot and nahuli ng ating si Ian Hile was caught pushing his defender. So bola mananatili dito sa Matnog. Ayan na si Hamoragan, his favorite missing the shot. What a rebound partner ni Escuragia Adrian against the much bigger na si Eligado. Ayan na si Eligado pressuring Bordeos. Estuye, drop pass, misses the shot. Ayan na si Graida, powering his way.
Madaming sayang na opportunity for Barcelona.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Miss shot dito galing kay Escuragia Adrian. Lamang na sana sila ngayon. So now the score is tied at 30 apiece. Bordeos, ginugulo ni Graida. Binigay kay Hile. What a pass. Give and go play.
Bordeos with 8 points already.
Yes, a steady point guard pagdating dito sa Barcelona. And any given day, alam natin magsi-step up to in the absence of Jonas Leona. So, pero si Graida wants to answer it with a 3-point pero mintes yan. Escuragia giving Barcelona a quality minutes partner with that defensive rebound.
And 5 minutes remaining.
Yes, Bordeos gives the ball to Hile. Shot clock is at 9. Bordeos, ginugulo ni Graida. Sneaks. Passing to the wrong man. Ayan na si Ariston. What a shot, partner.
Even in the most comfortable position, he was able to throw that ball, use the glass, and straight to the basket.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And that calls for a ceasefire, partner, dahil the score is even ata 32. So, it's a very entertaining first quarter. A fast-paced type of ball game tayo na meron tayo dito sa ating, because alam naman natin this Barcelona squad, even though wala kanilang mga imports or mga reinforcements, they're still there to fight for their municipality. And that goes to show on how Barcelona plays basketball, partner.
Tama. No, and they've shown us an amazing first quarter by controlling the game with a insurmountable lead. Pero again, as expected dito sa Team Matnog, after nila magpainit ng karburador, umalangkada sila for the first 5 minutes of the second quarter, tying the ball game into 32 points.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Isa din sa mga spark plug din itong si Aldin Hamoragan. Even though he is not scoring at will, pero yung presence niya sa loob, yung depensa, and yung mga outlet passes niya dun sa mga guards that led to a fast break para dito sa Matnog.
Tama, partner.
And medyo natagalan ang pagbalik dito kay What an Eye in the Sky play. Estuye to Villena. Mabalik tayo doon. Medyo natatagalan sa bench na yun, partner, si Rodney Fulgar, because maganda nga rin ang pinapakita nitong si Estuye and si Hile.
Tama. And Villena adding a score, so he has now 5 points there.
And Cyril Gonzalez launches a triple and makes a 3-point bomb.
Gonzalez on his 12 points.
Yes, partner. After a slow outing start dito sa ating first quarter, ngayon he has 12 points now in the ball game. And with a steal, Graida is in a foot race. Graida will fly and scores for 2.
Easy 2 points for Graida, giving him an advantage of 9 points.
Yes, ayan na si Villena, ginugulo ni Graida. Bordeos crossing the half-court line, swings the ball. Estuye shoots the 3. No good. Cyril Gonzalez with the board. And right now, partner,
Puntahan muna natin si Jessa May Navales para sa kanyang report. Jessa, the floor is yours.
Yes, partner, meron tayong konting technical difficulty. So talagang balikan na lang natin mamaya si Miss Jessamine Navales. And right now, the score is 34-37. Ayan na si Aldin again. Ginugulo ni Estuye. Ariston, what a crossover. What a back. Nabitawan lang ni Jessa ang bola. And
The crowd goes wild after
Yes.
that scramble.
meron tayong scramble doon. Yun na nga. What a good pass sana, pero yun na nga. Ang possession pa rin mananatili dito sa Matnog. So may bagong pasok itong Matnog. Si Ariston is inserted in the lineup. Binigay dito kay Jessa. Guarded by Cyril Gonzalez for 3. Kaboom!
What a swish by Cyril Gonzalez.
And he is heating up right now, partner.
Tama, with 15 points already.
So right now, balikan na natin. Ito na, si Miss Jessamine Navales. Magandang hapon sa iyo, Miss Jessa.
Ayan, thank you so much, Coach Jalo and Coach John. Despite of being undermanned, dahil sa hindi paglaro ng apat nilang players na si Leona, Beltran, Habolan, and Rosales because of other prior commitments at ang kawalan ng presensya ng kanilang head coach due to the other important responsibilities, mas nangingibabaw sa Team Barcelona ang determinasyon at passion to bring pride and honor sa bayan ng Barcelona. Sa pagpasok nga ng second quarter, Barcelona assistant coach, Coach Mateo, order his players to maximize every ball rotation, ball possession, at huwag na huwag sasayangin ang pagkakataon na mai-convert ito. Also, as Matnog slowly familiarize their strategy, Coach Mateo instructed his players to strengthen more their defense at huwag magpapabaya. Yan muna ang latest mula dito sa Barcelona. Back to you, Coach Jalo and Coach John.
Yes, maraming salamat. Miss Jessamine Navales, yun na nga yung kakulangan ng players nila with the likes of Jonas. Alam naman natin, is an automatic scorer pagdating dito sa Barcelona. Pero still, partner, even though kulang na kulang sila ng players ngayon, they are still down by little margin. Pero kanina lamang nga sila, partner, kung iisipin.
Tama, no? They were able to control the first quarter. So, tingnan natin kung makahabol sila sa kalamangang ginagawa nitong Matnog. As Cyril has been continuously scoring. Meron na siyang 17 points in this ball game.
A whopping 17 points para dito kay Cyril Gonzalez. Yan na si Villena. A bad pass dito pero nakuha sana ni Fulgar pero mintis pa rin ang tira.
And Cyril Gonzalez dribbling the ball.
Yan na si Gonzalez. He check, partner. Mintis yan. Jessa tinapik ang bola. Nakuha niya. Yan na si Jessa. Block by Ryan Espeño.
What a rejection by Espeño, a veteran, a big man for Sorsogon,
Yes.
specifically for Barcelona right now.
Si Tito Ryan Espeño playing defense against this young gun. So yan na si Cyril. Wants to attack with his favorite shot, Mintis. Roddy Fulgar and Estuye. Linapitan ng bola. Yan na si Estuye crossing the half-court line with 1 minute and 45 seconds remaining. Espeño. What a cut dito. Pero nabitawan ng bola ni Roddy Fulgar. Ayan na si Gonzalez. And yun na nga, medyo
A missed opportunity.
Yes.
They outnumbered Barcelona pero Ariston was expecting that Gonzalez will drive all the way through. So medyo miscommunication ang nangyari doon, resulting to a turnover. So tingnan natin kung makakonvert ito ng Barcelona into certain points.
yes, tama ka dyan. Ayan na si Villena, guarded by Ariston. Swings the ball to Estuye. Shot clock is at 13. Villena looks at the clock. Swings the ball. Estuye, guarded by Ariston. Ayan na, 4 seconds on the clock. Good defense by Matnog and naputukan ng 24-second violation. What a good defense, partner, nito Matnog.
Tama, and with 1 minute and 9 seconds remaining, Matnog is now leading and controlling the game with a 2-digit lead against Barcelona, who was started with a very good development in the first quarter.
Yes, inunti-unti nitong Matnog, itong Barcelona. And don't look now, this is the biggest lead so far of Matnog with 10 points. With 1 minute and 1 second remaining sa ating laro. Na si Gonzalez with his favorite familiar move. No good, Villena with the board.
Walang takot.
Yes, partner, over the outstretched arms nitong na veteran na si Ryan Espeño. Yan na si Villena, Fulgar, his favorite spot. Medyo nanlamig na to, partner. As I told you kanina, ayan na si Ariston with the floater. Bucket for number 15 na si Julio Ariston.
A 4-point made by Ariston. Now with 28 seconds, tingnan natin if Barcelona can close the gap.
May shot by number 7 na si Argel Habulan. Ayan na si Cyril, defended by Villena. Cyril wants to attack and he loses the ball.
Barcelona leading with 12 points. Matnog rather with 12 points. Tingnan natin if mababawasan ito with the last, probably the last possession for Barcelona.
I guess this will be the last possession ng ating laro. So tingnan natin if Barcelona will score sa pagtatapos ng ating first half.
14 seconds remaining.
Ayan na si Guelas attacking. Villena swings the ball to Ryan Espeño. Guelas. Fulgar with the ball with 4 seconds remaining. Fulgar attacks. Loses the ball. Ayan na si Eligado. And that ends our first half, partner. And lamang po ngayon ng Matnog. And what an exciting first half na meron tayo.
Tama, tingnan natin if Matnog will continue dominating this ball game against Barcelona or makakabawi miraculously itong Barcelona on our next stop. Magbabalik po kami ni Sir Zan.
my capacity as representative of Ako Bicol Party List and on behalf of Congressman Zaldico, I hereby declare Ako Bicol Cup Sorsogon officially open. Good luck to everyone.
Nagpapasalamat po kami ng marami sa pagdating dito ng Ako Bicol Cup. Kaya malaking pasalamat po na napunta kayo dito sa Sorsogon.
Ang ganda po ng opportunity nito sa aming manlalaro at saka sa ibang mga katim po namin.
Maraming salamat Ako Bicol Cup.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Cup.
Maraming salamat Ako Bicol Cup.
Lana launching another triple. Yes, again!
Tira na si Aquino. Babap Santa Maria using the glass court. Si Jeff Viernes.
Sa Legazpi, he has redeeming himself.
Anyone? The hustler, Santa Cruz! What up? Yes!
It is last minutes na kanilang fourth quarter. Babap for three. Martin for Babap Santa Maria.
Wala akong masasabi. Hindi lang yun. Bahala na kayo.
That for three. Kaboom!
Ito talaga ang confidence nitong bat.
Daan-daan na po ang mga nakapagtapos at may mga kanya-kanya ng propesyon. Sa kanilang pagpupunyagi, walang masidlan ang kanilang mga ngiti.
Yun at sa Gabos, nagpapasalamat po ako sa AKB.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa Ako Bicol sa opportunity na tigtatao po araw po sa kuya na estudyante.
Dahil naandyan lang, katuwang lagi. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa. Ang Ako Bicol Party List, marami nang natulungan, mahigit isang dekada ng naninilbihan, nanguna sa pagpapagawa at pagpapaayos ng mga kalsada sa Kabikulan. Access Road leading to Bicol International Airport, Legazpi City Coastal Road, Mabinit, Lidong Alternate Road, Bangkeruhan, Misua Road, Upper Mabinit Road, Mayon, Mariawa, Puro Road, Bagakay Coastal Road and Shore Protection, Buyuan, Lidong Alternate Road, Bugtong, Pawa Road, Tahaw Road, Matnog, Banyadero, Miisi Road, Mabinit, Mataanag, Alternate Road, Miisi, Bunga, Alternate Road, Buena Vista, Maipangi Road, Imalnod, Mariawa Road, Buena Vista, San Isidro Road, Mayon, Mariawa Road. Nanguna sa pagpapatayo ng maraming infrastruktura. Bicol International Cruise Ship Terminal, Bitano, Multipurpose Building, Buraguis Elementary School, Multipurpose Building, San Roque, Multipurpose Building, Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi Science High School, Multipurpose Building.
Kaya salamat sa Ako Bicol, tadakulan ang tabang di Sambuya.
Maraming salamat, Ako Bicol Party List. Marami pong salamat.
Kaya saan ka pa? Sa dati na, may serbisyong pinagtibay ng panahon. Mas pinatindi pa. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa.
Yes, we are back sa laban ng Barcelona versus Matnog. Yun ang partner. What an exciting first half. Unang bumulusok itong Barcelona, but comes sa ating pagtatapos ng ating first half, talagang na-outscore ng Matnog itong Barcelona. So tingnan muna natin ang ating mga team stats sa nakaraang first half. Pagdating naman dito, on the bench points, partner, yun ang coming off the bench, yun ang contributing itong mga si Graida and with the likes of Ariston scoring for them. And the points in the paint, yun ang with Jamil Elegado leading the charge para dito sa Matnog. Lamang sila ng 22-30 in the turnovers. Yun na nga, medyo naparami yung turnovers nitong Barcelona kontra dito sa Matnog. Sa fast break points, yun na nga, partner. Yun na nga, unti-unting uminit itong si Cyril Gonzalez attacking the paint, attacking a fast break. Kaya lamang na lamang sila. So dito sa second chance points, lamang ang Barcelona because of this pesky rebounding ni Rodney Fulgar. So we'll see if magtutuloy-tuloy na ba ang scoring ng Matnog or aalagwa din ng Barcelona pagdating sa ating second half.
So ayan, tingnan natin what development will happen on the next half of this ball game. Again, this ball game is just the third of our 4 riveting game series this Sunday. This is brought to you by, of course, none other than Ako Bicol Party List at ni Congressman Saldico. Katabang nakakasurog pa.
Yes.
Live na live din tayong mapapanood sa Ako Bicol Online TV, Rep Saldico FB page, and Ako Bicol Party List Meron din tayong YouTube and TikTok channel, so please do follow us on Ako Bicol Cup YouTube and TikTok channel.
Yes, yun na nga ang paboritong TikTok channel ni Coach Paulo Biñas. Yun na. Completing the 5 para dito sa Matnog, si Ariston, Jessa, Eligado, Gonzales, and Ariston. Dalawang Ariston partner pinasok. And then side of Barcelona, si Fulgar, Guelas, Estuye, Espeño, and Bordeos. Yan na si Guelas again opening up the scoring para dito sa second half sa Barcelona.
And that's his 5th point of this ball game.
Yes, tama ka dyan. A very steady defender din dito. Yan na si Gonzales attacking his favorite shot. Again.
Inista mo na yan. That's his 19 points already.
Yes, napansin mo partner. Romel Guelas is forcing Cyril Gonzales to go to his left. Pero akala niya yun ang weak side niya, pero talagang umatake pa rin siya. Fulgar misses the shot. Yan na si Gonzales, burning rubber. His floater. Grabe partner.
Grabe. High arcing floater. Pang
Yes.
NBA yun.
Yes partner, kung napansin mo, after that rebound, hindi na nagdalawang isip ito si Jamil Delgado na ibigay sa kanyang partner, pero sabi ni Ryan Espeño, but Estuye grabs the board. Finger roll, no good. Ayan na, Cyril again wants to attack, misses the shot. Ariston saving the day for Matnog.
Ariston has already 6 points in this ball game.
Ayan na si Fulgar, natapik ni Ariston ang bola. Look how fast this Ariston. What a move, partner! Woo!
Pwede nang ilista.
Grabe yung tira ni Julio Ariston yung partner. Parang si Coach Paulo Biñas nung panahon. And yun na nga, yes partner, this is the biggest lead so far with 18 points. Guelas. A much needed score pagdating dito sa Barcelona. To stop the bleeding para sa kanyang team. So talagang kailangan maging aggressive ditong Barcelona para makadikit sa ating laro.
Tama, and hopefully he can complete this 3-point play because he already incurred 7 points, and that is 8 point of the ball game. A very steady player din itong si Guelas.
Yes, kung makikita mo partner, our last game will be Gubat versus Santa Magdalena. Pero unti-unti nang napupuno ang ating venue dahil inaabangan nila. Pero syempre, may mga taga Barcelona at Matnog rin na nandito sa ating venue. So talagang kita mo naman yung all-out support nila na binibigay. Yan na si Ariston with the floater. Sabi niya, Cyril Gonzales 2.0 to partner.
Kaya ko rin yan.
And yes, yun na. Si Fulgar misses the 3-point bomb. Gonzales with the board. Gonzales with the crossover. What a pass dito kay Ariston. Pero ginulo ni Ryan Espeño ang tira ni Ariston.
Medyo inaalat itong si Fulgar. He already made 3 to 4 attempts.
Yes, pero he's very aggressive. Pero yung mintis na ang mga tira niya and medyo nabibitawan yung bola. Guelas swings the ball. Espeño with the spin. What a move, partner. Grabe yung partner na galaw ni Ryan Espeño. Batang-bata, partner.
Tama, a big man who can shoot from a distance. Espeño will now troop to the line as he was fouled in the act of shooting. So let's see if he can convert these 2 charity throws into 2 points. And he nailed the first one.
Yes, Ryan Espeño has
4 points.
He's 4 point of the ball game. He's starting to picking up pagdating dito sa scoring sa Barcelona. Kasi talagang kailangan nila kasi medyo nag-struggle na si Rodney Fulgar in the early part ng ating third quarter.
Tama, and with that, he already accumulated 5 points.
Yes, a solid 5 points pagdating dito. Pero si Eligado wants to answer with the free throw jumper. Jessa, follow-away jumper. Pasok yan.
Jessa. And his first point of this ball game. Estuye attacking the baseline.
Pero yan na si Fulgar.
Cleaning up the mess and giving him an 8 points. Ito nga si Eligado kanina has been dominating the first quarter. Pero medyo inaalat niya yung second quarter.
Yan na. Ariston partner coming off the bench contributing. And yun na nga partner. Si number 24 na si Bordeos gives the ball to Fulgar against 4 defenders. Sapal ni Jessa. Pero sabi ni Jessa bola, pero sabi ni ating referee na si Oslek Mendoza may violation. So tingnan natin if Rodney Fulgar will make his free throws.
This is a very important free throws as Matnog is already leading with 17 points. Now with 16 points after Fulgar made that wonderful shot.
Yes, yan na si Fulgar.
Missing the second one. Fulgar now has 9 points.
Yes, maraming salamat. And yun na nga. Ayan na si Cyril Gonzalez. Wants to hit the 3-point bomb. In and out. Fulgar skying high with that rebound.
Grabe itong defensive prowess ng isang Fulgar.
Yes, ayan na si... what a move dito ni Ryan Espeño. Misses that shot. Medyo nadulas yung bola sa kamay niya. Pero si Gonzalez wants to attack at will. Bintis din, Ariston. And Guelas battling it out. Pero si Guelas gustong agawan nitong si Ariston Hulo. And right now, we have a timeout dito. Barcelona.
A good call for Team Barcelona as Matnog has been ballooning with 16 points already. So they have to stop the attacks, and I think they will try to create a new offense style as Fulgar has been the one carrying and attacking the paint but missing several of his shots. So I think kailangan nila again, no, yung pinakita nila to distribute the ball around, to let everyone touch the ball and look for the loopholes in the defense of Team Matnog. So tingnan natin if they can convert this ceasefire into certain points for Team Barcelona or magpapatuloy itong pag-dominate ng Team Matnog in this particular quarter.
Yes, tama ka dyan. This game is going to be interesting dahil ngayon na nga, nag-uumpisa na rin na makuha ng Barcelona yung role nila. Ayan na nga, Espeño misses the 3-point bomb. Medyo nailing-iling siya doon dahil alam niya na favorite tira niya. Pero mintis, Ariston Hulo. A spark coming off the bench para dito sa Matnog. Pero yun na nga, partner. A 3-point shot galing dito kay Jamir Eligado.
He has been sleeping. And he got the curse, no, with the 3 points. He has now 15 points, Sir John.
Yes. Ayan na si Fulgar. Deflected ang pasa, pero ang possession mananatili. So meron tayong report kay Miss Danica Garcia. Miss Danica, good evening.
As we can see, coaches, naging maganda ang naging ball rotation ng Team Matnog kaninang second quarter at ngayon din talagang nagpapakitang gilas sila. Ayon sa kanilang head coach na si Coach Reynold Su, we have to play our game. During their huddle time kanina, nagbigay ng paalala si Coach Reynold na kailangan ng kanyang mga player to stay aggressive right now kasi yun ang naging weakness nila sa first half. That's why nalamangan sila ng Team Barcelona. Ayan muna ang latest dito sa Team Matnog. Back to the panel.
Yes, yun na nga. Maraming salamat. Very energetic ito si Coach Reynolds. So, I've seen in the sidelines. Very active siya talaga instructing his players. So, tingnan natin if susundin ba siya or magmamaterialize ang kanyang play na ginawa.
And good defense on the side of both teams in the last sequence.
What a shot, partner. Biguelas pero mintis yan. And nagagawa ng bola itong bagong pasok ng Barcelona, number 15. Ayan na Fulgar, his favorite spot. Mintis yan. Ariston is in a rush. Binigay kay Gonzalez against Guelas. Mintis ang tirang yan. Crosses over. What a shot, partner. Stop and pop dito kay number 24. Bordios Froilan misses the shot. Na si Eligado zigzagging his way. Hulo Ariston attacking the basket. And medyo helter-skelter basketball ang pinapakita.
The newly entered Delicano thinking
good pass sana pero minadali lang ni Fulgar ang tira.
Medyo inaalat pa rin talaga si Fulgar for the last few sequences for Barcelona.
Ayan na si Ariston sa ilalim. Good defense nitong si Espeño. Yun na nga. Napakagandang depensa pinapakita ni Ryan Espeño. Espeño is aging like a fine wine, partner, habang tumatagal. Talagang nagiging magandang contribution sila dito sa loob ng court. So talagang tingnan natin if Ryan Espeño will has a gas pagdating sa ating fourth quarter.
Tama. Ito talaga yung kagandahan, Sir John, ng Ako Bicol Cup. No? Especially dito sa Sorsogon. Kasi makikita mo, the age of the players doesn't really matter. We have a veteran player in Barcelona and we have, I think, one of the youngest players na naglalaro naman dito sa Matnog. No? With the likes of Gata and the other high school players of this team. So with that, Matnog was able to create a whopping commanding 20-point lead against Team Barcelona.
Yes, yun na. This is the biggest lead so far. Villegas shoot the three, misses the shot. Fulgar and Gonzalez battling it out. Ayan na si Gonzalez. Lobs it up to Eligado. Ayan na nga, partner. Ayan na si Espeño. Swings the ball to Fulgar. Faking the three, defense. Ayan na si Eligado na huli ni ating referee na si Inday.
Grabe itong Cyril Gonzalez at Jamir Eligado connection. No? Gonzalez leading the team with 21 points.
Si Delicano, kakapasok lang, scoring a 3-point shot that binawasan ng kalamangan nitong Matnog. Ayan na si Gonzalez. Nahuli ni Guelas. Follow-away jumper. Mintis yan. Hamuragan. With the board. Ayan na si Cyril Gonzalez. Nahuli ni Villegas. Ayan na number 15. Delicano Jobe. Binigay kay na si Delicano. Shooting the three. No good. Ayan na si Graida.
That's a sloppy pass by Gonzalez. Mukhang napapagod na. Good thing it was not converted by Barcelona into a point.
Yes, pero Cyril Gonzalez attacks his floater.
Sabay sampal sa akin. Sinong napapagod?
Yes, that's an automatic score para dito kay Cyril Gonzalez. And he's one of the leading scorers pagdating dito sa Matnog. And si Fulgar wants to shoot the three. Makes the 3-point bomb. And that decreases the lead to only 18 points. And with 1 minute and 22 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter, lamang po ang Matnog. Yan na Gonzalez shooting the three. Will Fulgar, he is filling it.
Grabe, nag-iinit. With a whopping 26 points itong si Cyril Gonzalez.
Yes, yan na. Jovi Delicano misses the shot. Villena binigay dito. Fulgar, free throw jumper. Misses the shot. He gets his own miss. With 48 seconds remaining, 10 to shoot. Delicano for three. Coming off the bench, scoring at will. Itong si Jovi Delicano.
Maximizing his presence. He created already 6 points out of 2 3-point shots he made.
Yes, tama ka dyan. A spark off the bench para dito sa Barcelona. Pero si Graida, and obviously he was hacked. And that is a personal foul pagdating dito kay number 9 na si John Villena.
3 shots will be given for Graida. Now, who was already incurred 9 points. So, tingnan natin kung magkakaroon siya ng double digit after this free throw.
Yes, tama ka dyan. And si Graida misses the shot. And right now, the score is 53-71 in favor of Barcelona. Rather Matnog partner. And ang Ako Bicol Cup Sorsogon ay hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List katabang na Kasurog pa and also si Congressman Jill Bongalon. And batiin ko na rin si Commissioner Lloyd Rivera who is watching right now. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. And si Boss Ino Rivera, magandang gabi po. And si Miss Russell Loretta and the Infinity Media Broadcasting Company, magandang gabi po.
And with that, Graida has 12 points already.
Yes, yan na. Si Guelas loses the ball pero si Fulgar natapik. May foul. Dito si Jay Garcera. Muntik na makatakas si Fulgar pero na-foul nitong si number 1 si Jay Garcera.
With 10 seconds remaining, 73-53. Matnog still a 20-point commanding lead against Barcelona, who has a good start in the first quarter but had trouble in the second and third quarter.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Mentis ang tira ni Fulgar. And right now, this is a commanding 20-point lead. And Fulgar wants to, yun na nga, mintis ang kanyang dalawang free throws. Yes, 8 seconds remaining. Gonzales against Villena. May pick na galing dito kaya Moragan shoots the long three. Kapos yan, and that ends our third quarter.
Medyo napakamat.
With a whopping 20-point lead dito si Cyril Gonzales.
Tama na, medyo napakamat doon si Cyril with an air ball. But nonetheless, he ended the third quarter with a whopping 26 points. No? This is not normal for any player. But for the likes of Cyril Gonzales, parang andali lang maglaro ng basketball. So tingnan natin if what development will happen in the fourth quarter. As Barcelona, again, for those who just tuned in, has been the one taking in charge of this ball game in the first quarter by passing the ball around. But this time, eto si Cyril Gonzales along with Eligado Jamir and the Aristons has been taking over, no, and has been relentlessly attacking the paint, no, and they cannot be stopped even though with the likes of the bigger man of the high jumper Fulgar and the bigger man na si Espeño. So mukhang nahihirapan dumipensa itong Team Barcelona. So let's see what adjustments will happen in this fourth quarter. But again, this is just the third game of our 4-game riveting series. We still have an opportunity to watch. Lalong-lalo na sa mga taga-Gubat, punta po kayo dito, no, para panoorin ang hometown match ng Gubat against Santa Magdalena.
Yes, leading para sa ating leading scorers na ating laro, si Fulgar with 12 points and Cyril Gonzales with a whopping 25 points, and that si Jamil Eligado patuloy na nananalasa sa ilalim because of the absence of the veteran na si Ryan Espeño, and si Hile who hit 2 3-pointers kanina first half, inserted in the lineup again. Ayan na si Villena against Gata, spin move, follow away jumper, no good. Estuye using the glass, misses the shot. Cyril Gonzales is enjoying the game, partner, with 27 whopping points.
Tingnan natin kung makabawi pa itong Barcelona with the last 9 minutes of this ball game.
And si Hile wants to shoot the three, misses the shot. Rex Gata with the board. Binigay dito kay Cyril Gonzales. He wants to attack. Gonzales hesitates. Pinasa sa ilalim, and what a back cut. And pinahirapan pa, tinira pa sa kabila, partner.
Grabe naman tong Gonzales-Eligado connection.
Yes, talagang working wonders for their team. Ayan na si Gata, defended. Ito si Hile. And muntik na maagaw ni Aldi ng bola.
This Eligado is trailing with 19 points as well, no? Sunod lang siya sa puntos na ginagawa nitong si Gonzales. And aside from that, he's a consistent defender din, no? So good offensive and defensive rebounds ang pinapakita niya.
And yun na, coming off the bench, itong si Cañares kakapasok lang. I guess yun na nga, sinasabi ko pa ulit-ulit, this is the time for seldom used players na makapagbigay ng minuto dahil nga lamang na lamang itong Matnog right now. Yan na si Garcera. Bigay kay Cyril Gonzales. Binigay sa low block. Gonzales with a spin. Gonzales. Mintes ang tira. Estuye. Nangunguna si Villena. Tinira sa kabila. Pasok yan.
Villena with 10 points already in this ball game.
Yes. Contributing para dito. Yan na si Garcera.
That's a turnover.
Yes.
With the breakaway pass to Estuye.
And steal by Cyril Gonzales. Foot race, natapik ni Guelas ang bola, pero nakuha ni Garcera. Cyril Gonzales for 3. Short on that, yan na si Guelas. Defended. Estuye, eye in the sky, play!
What an alley-oop! Estuye.
Ayan na si Garcera. Crossing the half-court line, swings the ball to Cyril Gonzales. Eligado. Binigay dito kay Gonzales. Push shot, Mintes ang tira. Following up his own miss. Ayan na si Garcera, binigay kay Gonzales. Gonzales forcing the shot. Rex Gata is open for 3. Come on! Isa sa mga fan favorite dito ng Matnog is the sharpshooter na si Rex Gata.
And kitang-kita natin sa hiyawan ng mga audience.
Pero si Hile wants to answer back. Mintes. Pero si Escoragia scoring his first point.
We have a report right now from our courtside reporter na si Jessa. Jessa, take it away.
Ayan, thank you so much, Coach John and Coach Jello. The momentum is now on Team Matnog. Aminado si Coach Mateo of Team Barcelona na nahihirapan sila sa depensa for the second half dahil na rin sa kawalan ng kanilang 2 key player na si Leona at Beltran. Kaya naman ayon kay Coach, idaan sa transition at mabilisang laro. Pagod man, bakas sa mukha ng mga players ng Barcelona ang determinasyon para makabawi. Payo din ni Coach na huwag pang hinaan ng loob, compose themselves at tapusin ang dapat tapusin. Yan muna ang latest. Back to you, Coach Jalo and Coach John.
Yes, maraming salamat. Yun na nga. Yes, despite the lead, partner, yun na nga dapat tapusin at gandahan pa rin ang depensa. And yun na nga, may bagong pasok itong Matnog na si number 16 na si Regiluro Garalde. Ayan na si Escoriaga, his 5th point of the ball game coming off the bench. Si Tito Adrian score a 3-point bomb.
Tama, mukhang naging midas na ang kanyang kamay.
Ayan na, what a shot, partner, dito kay number 16, rather number 6 pala, na si Maki Cañares, and he is now in a 4.5 meter line to shoot 2.
And this is just a 19-point lead with 5 minutes and 42 seconds remaining. So, hindi pa pwedeng mawala ng pag-asa ang Barcelona kasi they can still recuperate with the wounds that they receive in this 3rd and 4th quarter.
And right now, Maki Cañares has a chance to yun na nga, his first point of the ball game. And with 5 minutes remaining sa ating laro, lamang po ng 20 points itong Matnog. 17, Estuye. Mintes ang tira. Nakuha ni Garalde ang bola. Binigay kay Hener Graida. Rex Gata is open. He shoots. He misses the shot. Yun ang easy 2 para dito kay Jamir Eligado.
That's his 21 point of the ball game.
Guelas drops it up to Estuye. Talagang inaalat na. Ayan na si Escoragia. Shoots again the 3-point shot. Mintes Estuye against Eligado. Mintes yan.
3 consecutive attempts for Estuye but failed.
Ayan na si Garalde. Pinigay dito kay Hener Graida. Jamir Eligado with the ball. Shot clock is at 10. Graida. Eligado shoots the 3. Nothing but the bottom of the net.
Eligado is trailing with 24 points. Very close to Cyril Gonzalez.
Yes, ayan na si Estuye. Binigay dito kay Guelas. And natawagan ng offensive foul.
Guelas is in danger right now. If I heard it correctly, he incurred 4th infraction already. That's why he will be replaced by his teammate na si Delicano.
Yun ang partner, may pinasok pa si Justin Lagadia. Inserted dinalala para dito sa Matnog. Swings the ball to Graida. Cañares sa ilalim against Hile. Missing the point blank range. Nakuha ni Villena ang bola. What a steal by Graida.
With under 4 minutes, 90-65, Matnog is still in charge of this ball game.
Yan na si Aldin, powering his way in. His favorite shot, partner. And Hamuragan. His first point of the ball game, partner. Kita mo, partner, gamit na gamit. Pero yung scoring talaga, hindi inaatupag nito ni Aldin because of his defense, partner. Yun ang inuuna na defense at rebound.
Tama, no? And sabi nga ng mga coaches natin, hindi masyadong na-highlight, pero a good defense is a key, no, to controlling the game, no. Kailangan ding paigtingin ng depensa ng mga players natin. Unlike sa popular belief na magaling ka mag-basketball kapag magaling kang pumuntos. So, defense is as important as offense as well. Sabi nga niyan ng mga coaches natin, no, you cannot penetrate if the defense of the other team is good. So, you cannot create a point to win the game.
Yes, tama ka. Ika nga nila, walang malas sa depensa. So, talagang yun ang nakikita ko ngayon sa Matnog. Kaya despite the lead, he is still stopping every possession na meron itong Barcelona. Pero tingnan natin if what will be the development. Exactly 3 minutes and 33 seconds remaining sa ating huling yugto. And yun na nga, may pinasok pa itong number 13. Si Francilio John Paul. Bentis ang tira, nabitawan ng bola. What a power move dito kay Habulan.
That's his first point of this ball game.
Pero si Garalde swings the ball to Graida. Garalde with a layup. Much to the delight of the fans here in Sinas Pavilion sa Gubat dahil nakascore ang kanilang pinakabatang player. And ayan si Lagadia. Binigay kay Aldin.
Good utilization of players on the side of Matnog.
Ayan si Graida. Binigay dito. Hanging in mid-air. Mentes ang tira ni Francilio John Paul.
Matnog has a good rotation. So lahat na ata nakapaglaro for their side.
Habulan for 3. No good. Graida and Francilio battle it out pero magkakampi sila. And si Graida. Francilio gives the ball to Lagadia. Short on that. Bordeos hesitates. But Habulan. Argel gets the ball. Binigay dito kay Villena. Shot clock is at 10. Habulan at the post. Spins. Traveling is called. Good defense ito yung Francilio. Partner, standing his ground against the much bigger na si Habulan.
Tama, and with 94-67, we are on the twilight zone, Coach John.
Yes, yan na nga. We are in the last 2 minutes ng ating huling yugto. So si Graida, love pass dito. Francilio sa ilalim, Bentis ang tira. Graida swings the ball to Lagadia. Lagadia with the attack. Sapa lang inabot dito kay Estuye. Bordios against Aldin. Kicks it out to Delicano. Habulan with a push shot.
That is 4 points of this ball game. With 1 minute and 23 seconds, 94-69, lamang pa rin ang Team Matnog.
Yan na si Lagadia. Francilio wants to attack the baseline. His first point of the ball game. Estuye misses the 3-point bomb. Yan na sila. Lagadia has a chance to score. And partner, I guess all of the players ng Matnog right now has scored sa larong ito. So,
kahit ang coaching staff, tuwang-tuwa, Sir John.
yes, partner, tama ka dyan. Tuwang-tuwa. And right now, with 37 seconds remaining sa ating huling yugto. Garalde stopping and popping. No good. Estuye with the board. Bordios.
Very consistent pa rin. That's his 10 points.
And right now, we are just waiting for the final buzzer and the final score ng ating laro. Again, it's safe to say, it's in the books. Matnog will win. And ano na magiging standings, partner, nitong ano? They are now 5-1, partner, and I guess they will have a rubber match with Erosin, I guess, this week. Alam ko, to determine kung sino makakapasok sa ating second round.
Very interesting development. And I'm looking forward kasi 98 71. Matnog has win this game. And again, sabi mo nga Sir Jan, kakalabanin nila ang isa sa mga powerhouse din dito sa district, ang Team Erosin. So napakagandang pinakita, no? Very consistent itong tinatawag nating dark horse. Makikita natin dito sa replay. They've been passing the ball around, though they had difficulty at the start of this ball game. Eligado was there, no, to take points for his team as Cyril was still adjusting, no? Ditong Gonzales was still adjusting in attacking the paint. So, kitang-kita naman natin na sikat itong mga players ng Matnog. Kasi every after the game, no, madami nagpapapicture sa mga imports ng Team Matnog. And eto naman, no, sa Team Barcelona, very relentless despite again, no, the depleted players, the height disadvantage. Wala yung mga veteran players nila in the likes of Leona and Beltran. They were able to lead, no, surprisingly in the first quarter, and was able to cut the lead slowly but surely. Pero again, no, dominating nga itong Team Matnog. So, kunin ko na din itong opportunity, Sir John, para i-shoutout ang SK chairman ng Barangay Luneta sa Barcelona, no, na and sina Romel, Tonet, and Enavia family, and Team Gasco. No, happy viewing po sa inyong lahat. Sumusuporta palagi sa Barcelona at sa buong Ako Bicol Cup.
Yes, tama ka dyan. Sabi ng aking kaibigan na si Oden Buena, greet daw ng pamangkin niya na si Denise Rose Diesta. Happy watching sa inyo. And yun na nga, again, we are just waiting for the Kasurog best player of the ball game kung sinong hihirangin. So again, para sa ating third game of Sunday special, nanalo ang Matnog. And sabi ng aking anak na nandito who's supporting me, shout out kay Juan Carlos Bachiller who is watching the game. Thank you. And also kay Franco Miguel, salamat sa panonood and enjoy the games. Meron pa tayo isang laro, partner. Anong ating huling laro?
Ang huling laro natin, of course, none other than the home team, Gubat, laban sa Santa Magdalena. So if you're nearby, if you're watching from the comfort of your home, pero one ride away or walking distance lang kayo dito sa Encinas Pavilion, come and join us and enjoy the live show here at the court. So, again, this is not yet the end. We still have games on Tuesday and Wednesday before the Holy Week.
Yes.
And we will return right after that, right away on April 1. And we will continue with elimination, semis, and final. So we are hoping to finish, no, on the first and second week of April. So again, huwag kakalimutan sumumbaybay sa ating mga social media platforms. Mapapanood po tayo sa ating FB pages, ang Ako Bicol Party List, Ako Bicol Online TV, Rep Saldico FB page. And meron din tayong YouTube channel, no? Ang Ako Bicol YouTube channel, where you can watch all the legs of Ako Bicol Cup, starting from Legazpi, from Camarines Sur, Cam Norte, Albay, no, Albay, and Catanduan is now in Sorsogon, and next is Masbate. And with that, again, this is Sir Jello with my idol, Sir John. Punta na natin si Ma'am Mabel Echegoyen para sa kanyang interview sa Kasurug Player of the Game. Mabel, the floor is yours.
Thanks, Coach John and Coach Jello. Kasama ko na nga ngayon ang ating Kasurug Player of the Game na si Cyril Gonzales mula sa Team Matnog, who scored 29 points, 8 rebounds, 4 assists, and 3 steals. Cyril, ikaw na naman ang ating Kasurug Player. Hindi ka ba nagsasawa na ikaw ang isa sa mga maituturing na secret weapon na nagpapanalo ng inyong team?
Hindi naman. As long as manalo kami, as long as makapag-provide ako sa Team Matnog, hindi, okay lang.
So after this game, ang susunod niyong makakalaban ay isa sa mga malalakas na team sa District 2, which is Team Erosin. How confident are you na matatalo niyo sila at kayo ang aabante sa semifinals?
Siguro mag-stick lang kami sa system ni Coach Reynold and sipag lang, tapos hindi kami bibitaw sa dulo.
Ayan, baka may mga gusto kang batiin, pasalamatan, especially yung mga sumusuporta sa'yo ngayon. Go ahead.
Binabati ko yung mga taga-Matnog sa nagpapatuloy sa amin sa Bantiki, sila Mayora and Ate Dandan, and kay Coach Reynold and kay Tita Doc, and sa family ko sa Davao City. Ingat kayo lagi dyan.
Alright, once again, thank you and congratulations sa Team Matnog. Mga kasurog, dyan lang kayo dahil may last and final game pa tayo na laban na naman ng Team Gubat kontra sa Team Santa Magdalena. Mapapanood nyo yan ng live sa aming Facebook pages, sa page ni Rep Saldico ng Ako Bicol Party List at ng Ako Bicol Online TV. Follow us also sa aming YouTube and TikTok account at Ako Bicol Cup. Again, this is Mabel Etchegoyen, your Ako Bicol Cup courtside reporter.